got a log on the mill. We're gonna zip her out. Hopefully make a 4x4 out of it. It's a poplar. Been on the ground for a while. This thing's right around 10 inches in diameter. I don't see no problem with getting a 4x4 out of it. The way I'm gonna cut it though is there might be some live edge left on it. So, you know, it doesn't have to be perfectly squared. I just wanna, guess I'm testing to see how much I can get out of it. Excited to zip into it and see how many 4x4s we can get. It's a heck of a thing to be doing in the off season, from going from hot shotting, being a firefighter, to coming to here where it's a little slower pace, but it's still labor. So that's the one thing I really enjoy about running a sawmill in my off season, is the labor part of it, but it's still very in a very relaxed state compared to what I do in the summertime. Appreciate y'all watching, and excited to get some good stuff milled up. Next week I should be getting into some bigger white oak that I'll slab out, and that's gonna max out the mill, so that's gonna be exciting to cut into. Overall, it's like I said, a great day out here in East Tennessee, so get some milling done and enjoy the evening. Appreciate it. All right, there's only one thing left to do. Let's start chopping this thing up. So let's go ahead and dig into this poplar here and see what we can find. With how small it is and how much board feet I do want to yield from it, it probably will only be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cuts potentially. So that's the goal. Nice. So we'll rotate this log. It's 180 degrees. Tell y'all what though, I don't know how all the other sawmill people are doing, but man, it's pretty primo weather right now out here in Tennessee. I had a little cold spell for a while there, but starting to warm back up again. Get a round of golf or two in. Was able to get 4. Did the math wrong. I mean, they're, like I said, they don't look pretty or nothing, but using them for my own good, so happy to get 4. What's up, y'all? Been milling all day today. Milled a lot of poplar. Was able just to throw this last little cedar on for the day. It's about 5 foot long. 5 foot long and about 14 inches in diameter. The plan with it is, I mean, I can do a whole bunch of things with cedar. That's what I love about cedar. But for this cedar, I'm kind of curious with it. There's like, it looks like there's like multiple cedars that grew into it. So I'm just gonna basically slab it out into 2-inch slabs, live edge on both sides, and see how it looks. See if there's any cool patterns in it. If it looks kind of funky, maybe I'll just throw on the edger and make, you know, 2x10s if I can, make those into shelves. But for the time being, we're gonna slab them and see how they look. But today's been a pretty awesome day. See how much more I can get done until daylight calls it. So thanks, y'all. look half bad. Kind of cool. I like the valleys right here. Yeah, it looks good. Go ahead and get it rotated and finish it off. That worked out good. I like milling cedar a lot. That looks pretty good. Looks pretty cool. I think with this crack right here, I might put it back on and just, or put it maybe through the edger and just edge just a little bit of it just to get this crack out. Overall, it looks good. Yeah, not bad. Looks like bacon. Nice. Yeah, it looks really good. I'm happy. It only took like 15 minutes. So, thanks for watching, y'all.